here, guys. Another unboxing video. Can you guys guess what this is? What's in this little tube? Can you guys guess? We're gonna find out. Check it, guys. Hold on, let me get the handy mighty scissors. Boom, boom. Yeah. Look. Oh, pretty clever. All right. Broke the seal. Oh. Whoa. What is this? All right. Looks like it's an antenna. Okay. We got the official right here, the mcgill antenna for the HNT. Let's get it. Let's get this money. If you guys don't know about this company, it's one of the best ones out there for the helium mining. And if you guys want some of these resources that we have, we can get you connected with these people at a good cost. So let's get it. So yeah, this was my unveiling. No more stuff, but we got this. All right, Aussie Cardi over here. I'm signing out. Like and subscribe.